Terra Universal manufactures application-specific dispensers for cleanroom gloves, as well as many other small parts and apparel. These space-efficient, cleanroom-compatible units eliminate clutter and reinforce gowning protocol by putting gloves and apparel exactly where personnel require them. Biosafe cleanroom dispensers provide ultimate cleanliness and conformance with aseptic requirements by minimizing particle generation and inhibiting microbial growth. Available in many capacities, these wall-mount units stand up to repeated daily sterilization with alcohol and other biocides. The ultra-smooth electropolished stainless steel or chemical-resistant polypropylene surfaces are easy to wipe down. They also minimize cracks or obstructions that complicate sterilization. Beveled exit slots prevent material snags, and cutaway seams eliminate hard-to-clean welds. Covered mounting slots keep dust out of the dispenser. The unique hinge design eliminates cracks and metal-on-metal motion common in many other hinge types. Biosafe cleanroom dispensers are available with versatile mounting systems that allow installation on Terra workbenches, gowning benches, or waste receptacles, accommodating a variety of gowning room or operational requirements. Designs are also available for holding and dispensing standard glove packaging. For smaller items such as finger cots or glove liners, specify standard or custom inserts to restrict the exit opening. Terra also manufactures plastic benchtop and wall-mount glove dispensers with swing-open lids for easy loading. Select between single and multi-chamber configurations in your choice of materials. Static dissipative PVC offers broad chemical compatibility and adds a durable dissipative layer which eliminates static charge buildups and the particle attraction they cause. Although it is the most economical option, acrylic is damaged by commonly used disinfectants and is more difficult to clean due to the generation and accumulation of surface charges. Polypropylene provides excellent chemical resistance and is ideal for use in the presence of acids. Terra stocks dozens of these models for next-day shipping at its Fullerton, California manufacturing facility. To order, or for more information, including pricing and lead times, visit terrauniversal.com.